Hello YouTube, hi, this is Andrew, and I got a very short but very informative video right here. So currently you can see my book is on the control panel, and how you get to that, pretty much you could go to, like if you want to eject your book, so open devices and printers, which is what it brought me to right here. Okay, so I can see my book right here, my WD, and but I can't add or change any files on there. It's not listed here. I don't have my book. Okay, so now without reformatting and killing all your information on these devices, even a flash drive, if this ever happens, there's a very quick and very easy way to fix this. So you go down to the start menu right here, right click, and go to disk management. Okay. Alright, so now as you notice, you see your operating system is a C. Just like if I go over here, so you got your C drive, which is your operating system, and you got your D drive for disk, okay? But there's no letter on this. It's just a disk 1. It's no letter, see? C-O, okay? Alright, so all you do is very easy. Right click and hit change drive, letter, and pass. See, it doesn't have one. You're going to add. So usually everything's in E, so let's make it like H, okay? Hit OK. It's got it. Now when you go to the folder, File Explorer, you're there, and you hit on it, and there's all my information. Okay. Alright, well, hopefully this helped anyone, and please, again, like and subscribe for more information. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Have a great day, and hope to hear from you soon.